I'm just gonna preface that I flew in this morning at 4 a.m., which is why I'm just so crazy today.
But honestly, what's kind of sad is I did not fly in at 4 a.m. and I feel like I'm kind of keeping up with your crazy. Hey guys, it's Alex. So today is a super special day because 1, I'm gonna be making cinnamon rolls, and 2, I don't have to do it alone.
No, she doesn't. It's Madelaine. What's up?
You might recognize Madelaine as Cheryl Blossom on Riverdale.
I'm in the mood for chaos.
But today, she is gonna be helping me make cinnamon rolls.
For tasty.
Madelaine is actually vegan.
I am.
Her whole entire life.
These are gonna be so good.
I always like a challenge, as you guys may know, and I haven't made much vegan food in my life.
You can tell me if they taste different.
I guess I'll be the judge of that. Hope this isn't a river fail.
We're back!
And we're ready to bake. Madelaine, do you do much baking?
I'm gonna be honest, the last time that I baked vegan cinnamon rolls.
What?
With one of my co-stars, and it went terribly wrong. We did like a wrap, we were like slapping the dough, and it was just not good.
Well, luckily I am an expert in the kitchen.
Okay.
We're gonna start with our wet ingredients.
Oh, lovely. So sugar is technically considered a wet ingredient?
Yeah, actually it is. Because if you dissolve sugar, it like turns into a liquid. So we have our vegan almond milk, vegan butter, organic sugar, and yeast.
Okay, wow.
To our bowl.
This is already too official for me.
This almond milk is room temperature, and the butter is just melted, so it's a little bit warm.
We're doing this too?
Sugar, we'll hold on that. Let's mix this up first.
This smells disgusting.
Oh,
Smell
it's
it.
yeast. Yeah, it's alive.
Is it vegan then, technically? That's like another ethical question
More
I
things
have.
to Google. Do a little sprinkle all across the surface of the... Perfect.
Born to sprinkle yeast, baby.
Yes, okay, now we have to wait. So as we said, yeast is alive, so it needs to activate. So
It foams, right?
it starts to foam. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Well, I made these a year ago.
Oh right. So
Tell me a little bit about yourself, won't ya?
what do you want to know?
How long have you worked at Tasty for?
Just over 2 years now. That's a lot of videos. Do you cook?
Well, as a vegan, you kind of have to, but I'm not
You're
gonna
right.
say I'm good at it. I'm more of like, I eat for nutrition purposes.
I eat for just pure enjoyment. See, it's really foaming up.
It's like kind of moving.
I think that's you shaking the table. I don't think it's
I'm like, it's alive.
But yeah, oh, timer.
The yeast is ready.
We've got the flour.
I've got the flour. Dump it on
Into our wet mixture. There you go. Get that right in there. Salt will kill your yeast.
This
so
is
you don't
really
want to add.
sad. Are we creating a, are we murdering right now?
Well, no, we're trying not to murder the yeast.
Oh,
So you can add that in.
Okay.
Pro, salt adder.
Thank you.
Wooden spoon.
Stir away. Show me how
want
you
me to do this?
Yeah, show
Okay.
me how you do it.
You know, it's really hard. There's a specific technique.
I just feel like this
to
is where I would
stirring.
start messing it up.
It's stirring. So I'm gonna switch you out because
Oh,
my
wow.
arm's tired.
Good thing I didn't get my workout today.
I know.
Man, you guys make this look so easy. Like this is actually.
You know, we
Look at
do.
this.
We do. We cut out all the mistakes.
Not
We
in
show
Behind
that-
Tasty.
Not in Behind Tasty. Keep going, girl. Keep going.
I'm working up a sweat in the
See,
kitchen, baby.
I canceled my gym membership because I do
get
this
enough.
all day long.
This looks great.
And that is a vegan cinnamon roll.
Honestly, basically.
Do a little scrapey scrape, a little tappy tap, and then a little plastic wrap. So we want to cover this up and let this dough rest for about an hour. Well, we have an hour to kill, so let's get to know you a little bit.
Let's get to know you a little bit.
They already
They
know
already
me
know
well
you.
enough. What's the go-to meal that you cook?
So I do like a red lentil pasta with like sauteed garlic and olive oil, and then some like steamed spinach.
There you go.
There you go,
She's a
babe.
pro, guys. So you said you were a big fan of Tasty. What is your favorite video?
Oh my God, don't make me pick. Was it giant macaroon?
Yeah,
what did-
giant macaron.
Giant macaron. I like them all though, honestly. It's like, this is my morning routine. I get a little cup of coffee from downstairs, I walk back upstairs, and then I watch my little Tasty videos.
How do you take your coffee?
Pea milk?
Pea milk?
P-A, pea milk.
I was like, what do vegans eat nowadays?
It gets a little weird.
I actually very much prefer almond and coconut milk to regular milk. So you know what? I'm kind of a vegan.
Kind of.
So we're gonna unwrap this.
This is when it starts getting really intense though, right?
It is a little intense.
Yeah.
But you know what? I'll walk you through it.
Can't wait.
We're gonna put a half a cup of flour onto our dough.
Wow.
There you go. It's a lot of sprinkling in this recipe.
I can attest to that.
I'm just gonna work the flour into the dough.
I'm like mesmerized.
So it's not sticky. I'm gonna turn this out onto our table. I can get that extra flour out on there because it'll be good for kneading.
A seasoned pro.
I know dough.
Why do we keep rhyming?
I don't know. That did it again.
You can over knead, right? Isn't that a thing?
You don't want to over knead it because it will be really tough to work with.
How do you know it's over kneaded?
It's just, you know,
feeling
you gotta
you
get that touch. When you're kneading, you want to work with the heel.
I think that's the heel of your palm.
Heel of your palm.
Well, if it's not, it is now.
So just kind of like work it. Do a little pulley tug. Yeah, there you go.
Do it.
Do you remember this part from a year ago?
I don't think I did this part. I didn't have a rolling pin either, so we had to get a little creative.
You know, you can actually use a wine bottle.
I didn't know that at the time.
We want to make it a nice kind of like round ball.
You were doing this so quickly and not even looking. She's like,
And then I'm gonna put a towel on it and it will disappear. Just kidding. We just wanna let that sit for about 5 minutes so it kind of loosens up because it would be really hard to roll out. Okay, set another timer.
oh, cute. I didn't realize I could do that because I'm wearing an apron.
Our dough is still here. The rolling out of the dough.
Another step that I skipped.
What? What did you do? We're gonna sprinkle some flour down just to make sure our dough doesn't get stuck to the surface. And then we're gonna use our roll. This is a massive rolling pin.
Don't they
It's
usually
like
have
a
handles
baseball
on the side?
bat. I'm gonna give you like a border of flour
Okay, and that's where
as
it
your
should get
guide.
to. Okay.
Needs to get to there.
All right, no pressure.
Good luck.
Woo!
Ooh, it looks good.
Oh yeah. Do I just keep doing
Look
that?
at 2 rolls out of that.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. Just put it back. You can do a little, oop.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay,
you know?
a little fancy.
There you go. It's all in the wrist. You know, don't be
Oh,
afraid to
man.
just get your hands in there if you
Yeah.
need to kind of reshape where it's going.
What shape should it be?
We want a rectangle.
Rectangle, okay.
Okay, so let's do,
This way?
yeah, that way. there you go.
You know?
Yeah. You know what? We're looking pretty good. It's rustic.
It is rustic.
That's my word for when things
Are
like,
looking beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so pretty.
She's very beautiful. Rustic.
So we're gonna take all that butter.
That's the beauty of a cinnamon roll. Butter. So I'm just gonna lather this softened butter kind of onto our dough. Do you eat a lot of vegan butter?
I mean, like on my toast sometimes.
Do you like a nice coconut oil? Wow, I'm so much more vegan than I thought.
You are like pretty much a vegan.
Can I go for that?
Let's do it. Should I be faster? I feel like I should be like.
No, you're. Whoa, double time. When you use your hands, the warmth of your hands will kind of melt the butter, so it's a little bit easier.
It sounds like you really want to use your hands.
Okay,
you want to
maybe
go?
I
Just
do.
go. Here, we'll do it together.
Just do. Cute. Kind of break it in. See, you get the spatula and I'll do the hands.
Gorgeous. I love this. Is the best part of your job eating it afterwards?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, we eat all day long.
That's such a great thing.
Is it? Now we have more sugar. If you want to give that a good sprinkle all over our dough. Oh,
It's really sprinkling.
you could probably just.
It's going really well.
Yeah. Brown sugar has molasses in it, so it won't sprinkle as nicely as a granulated sugar, but it gives a really great, like, deeper flavor than white granulated sugar would.
It's so beautiful. It's like little
know, it
gold
is really
flakes.
beautiful. All that sugar,
Delish.
make it rain. Sugar base. And now, the cinnamon, our final ingredient.
Wow.
Cinnamon smells real good. You really can't mess this up. That's the beauty.
That's why you picked this one for me. The two of us together make an excellent team, I think.
We want to get a really tight roll, so I'm just gonna kind of tuck this side in and then work my way down, and then I'll start working my way back.
Oh wow, it's like a very small roll.
No, it will grow.
The cinnamon roll would be great, but I didn't realize you do it so tight.
If it's not tight, then you're not gonna get that nice spiral looking roll. You know, go slow. Baking doesn't have to be stressful, you know? Just use this time to...
Think about all the good things in life.
Yeah. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. That's basically what a cinnamon roll is.
Wow. You're so right. There we go.
Perfect. Okay. Right. And you actually did that perfectly because we want to land it on the seam side down. Let's chop off these ends first, because that's just kind of doughy, you know? You don't want to eat that. I'm gonna cut this in half first. But again, I like to eyeball things.
Live your life.
So, we'll have...
I'd like you to cut the first one, just so I know sizes.
I'm just gonna cut this roll. Okay.
It's actually, it looks a lot more difficult than I thought it would be.
But you know, you can kind of reshape it. How cute is that? It's really cute,
We
right?
should name him Sammy the Cinnamon Roll.
Well, we're gonna eat you soon, but...
Sorry. Now
Good
just
job.
shove him in.
Now we can just place them in. Yeah, I mean, there's no rhyme or reason.
Absolute strudel.
Oh, I love that.
You never use that in the kitchen?
I've never heard that.
All right.
Perfect!
Look at how cute. Look at my hands. So cute.
Honestly, your hands are probably gonna be really soft. So we're gonna cover this up with plastic wrap. So now we wait again.
How long this time?
30 minutes.
Cinnamon rolls are an all-day process, guys.
They are. Ta-da!
Oh my, oh my.
The thing I love about when things kind of proof and rise is they look so much more beautiful because it kind of fills in the gaps and stuff. And now it's time to bake.
Oh wow, this is the best part because then it starts smelling good.
Yeah. Now we're going to bake these for about 35 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Super simple.
Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Ta-da!
All right. So now that our rolls are in the oven, we're gonna make our icing. So it's actually super simple. Just some more organic powdered sugar this time.
I thought that was flour this whole time I've been looking at it. I was like, ew, that's why I was looking at it. It's so weird.
So I'm actually gonna mix it in our liquid measuring cup because you can do the honors. Almond milk? Yeah. It smells like nuts, huh? And then a little bit of vanilla. Boop. It looks like not a lot of liquid, but once you mix it up, it will melt. Are you ready for this?
I don't know if I am.
I don't know if you are either.
Oh, they smell so good. Oh,
They're beautiful.
they're so cute. Look at Sammy.
Sammy is so cute.
The runt of the
He
litter.
is the runt of the litter, but you know, I'm sure he's gonna be delicious. Do you know what your favorite part of this cinnamon roll is?
Absolutely, I do.
1, 2, 3. Center!
It's like having two of her in the kitchen.
Right? You can't come to Tasty and not have a true Tasty moment.
Is this my tasty moment?
This is the drizzle shot. Rustic, remember? What I love is not like covering them completely with
Right.
icing because we still want to see the spiral. They look so good. They smell even better.
I want to eat one now.
Should we eat one? I'm just gonna go at it with my hands. So I'm actually gonna rip out the center.
Oh, duh.
Woo! Cheers! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Center, yes.
The center. Honestly, I just want to eat the center out
Of all of them. That's all I'm looking at.
I could not tell you that these are vegan.
Mwah.
Thanks so much for coming in, Madelaine. I had a great time rolling with you.
Right back at ya. How do you sign? I don't know how you sign up tasty videos. Tell me what you did.
I think we're done.